I'd like to talk about an extremely important and very, well, not known signal that's called an RSI reversal signal. Okay, first we're looking at Clorox right here, and this is going to be my recommended trade also. Descending triangle, a little bit sloppy, but we'll take it. Okay, so what we're seeing here, there's a high right here, and there's a high right here. I just notice that, okay? And notice that the closes are lower over here, okay? So we're going to take our 14-day RSI, and I want you to notice this. At this high, we are around roughly the 45 level in the RSI. At this high, we are roughly around the 50 to 55 level in the RSI. This is what most people would say is a divergence, but this is what would be called in Andrew Cardwell, he's an expert on the RSI index, it would be called an RSI negative reversal. That is when there's a higher price high. No, there's a lower price high, which is this one right here, sorry. But the RSI is higher than the previous RSI, and the price in this one is higher. Okay, so say that one more time. Higher price, lower RSI, lower price, higher RSI. Okay, so how do we get our target for this? We're going to take the ultimate high over here, which, let's see, we have a close of 64.65 and a close of 65.88. So we have 65.88. We have over here the highest close is, let's see, 65.60. So we're not doing too significant over here, but still 65.60. And we're going to take the low right here. We're going to get our base, which is going to be 63.71, which I'll just put right here, 63.71. And here is our price target formula. We are going to take, and I'm going to draw it on the RSI index right here because it's a little easier. And notice we're using the 14-day RSI. Always use the 14-day. Okay, so we're going to do 65.88 minus 65.60, and this one isn't going to give us a huge signal, but it's giving us a signal regardless. We have that, and we're going to subtract whatever that number gives us from the low, which was 63.71 minus that. So it's going to be 63.71 minus 28 cents, and that's going to give us a target of, we'll just say roughly about 63.44. So equals 63.44. So that's going to give us a short-term target of 63.44, which is pretty much the resistance right here. So if you want to, combining everything else with this trade, I'm going to knock out the RSI. 63.44 is our target, remember that. We're going to bring up the average implied volatility, and it's at a very low level right now. So we're short-term bearish. It's in a descending triangle. RSI negative reversal gives us a target of this resistance line. It's sitting below both of its averages. What can we do? We buy some puts. So try to find, let's see, our time frame. That's going to be up to you. I think that the downswing is going to be more short term, so feel free to buy the put today. I'd probably do one that's probably 62.50 or thereabouts, or depending on how much risk you want to take. So just a strategy to look at. So buy puts, negative RSI reversal, cheap options, descending triangle. We got a bearish trade here. All right, happy trading. Hope we can make some money.